very good morning, dear educational stalwarts, and mainly a very good morning to our Honorable Minister. Sir, thank you so much for coming here. So I had to literally be back of him to drag him here. Literally, I am saying because I want to see happiness in all of you, and I have seen every one of you are a huge fans of him. So thank you for your time today. So I am Spandana Kakani, Director of Brainfeed Group and Asli Prep Foundation. It's my privilege to welcome you all to the 6th edition of ET TechX. Okay, as we gather here for this remarkable morning, let me reflect to where our journey actually began. Nearly a decade ago, technology began transforming how children learn and gradually pulling them away from reading. So concerned by this shift, Mr. K.V. Brahmam, an education visionary with over 4 decades of experience, took a bold initiative. Yes, in 2013, he launched Brainfeed, India's first QR code integrated educational magazine. Yes, with a belief, today's readers are tomorrow's leaders. Yes, that is our tagline. And this innovative blend of reading and technology rejuvenated curiosity among young learners and re-established the joy of reading in this digital era. As Brainfeed flourished, teachers, parents demanded more diverse age-based content. So this led to the expansion of Brainfeed in 2016 to Brainfeed Junior, Brainfeed Primary 1, Primary 2 and Brainfeed High. And again, in 2017, the launch of Brainfeed Higher Educational Plus, the main conference of the day, has been emerged. So, Brainfeed's rise as India's largest educational magazine group has been raised from there. Yes, today, Brainfeed stands proudly as India's #1 educational magazine, connecting schools with leading edtech innovators and empowering teachers, celebrating excellence through the Brainfeed Awards, and inspiring a strong reading culture among the nation. Okay, while Brainfeed addresses challenge, a new challenge emerged again. Yes, there is a gap between the school learning and competitive exam readiness. So many students excel in classrooms but struggle when the demands of competitive exams actually arise. So what did we do to overcome this is our heart, that is Asli Prep Foundation. So today I'm proudly saying that our Asli Prep Foundation and AsliLearn.ai, which is our heart integrating AI with the academics, that app will be launched and the foundation will be launched by our distinguished chief guest Pongaleti sir. Yes, what do we give by AsliLearn.ai? Personalized learning pathways, real-time performance insight, adaptive test strategies, teacher-friendly dashboards, seamless curriculum to the competitive alignment. So to unite the transformation ideas, ET Tech was created as a collaborative initiative. Today, ET TechX stands as a premier national platform where educators, institutions, and edtech innovators come together. Together, Brainfeed, Asli Prep, AsliLearn.ai represent a unified commitment to shaping the future of education in India. Thank you for being here today. With collaboration and innovation, let the conference begin. Thank you.